Good day. In this video, I will show some solutions for selected questions from Chapter 2 Quadratic Equations, Subtopic 2.3 Conditions for different types of roots. Number 1. The straight line y equals to mx minus 4 intersects the curve y equals to x squared plus 2x plus 5 at only one point. Find the possible values of m. Okay, so we have two equations and it intersects at only one place. That means there is only one solution, and they want us to find the possible values of m. So how you want to do that? First of all, I will label the equations. Maybe the first equation I'll label it as equation 1, and then second equation I'll label it as equation 2. Okay, and then I need to do a simultaneous equation. I can say maybe equation 1 equals to equation 2. Okay, equation 1 equals to equation 2. Why? Because both equations starts with y, so we can equate them. And then I can if to be more clearer, I can write y equals to y. The first y is from the equation 1 and the second y is from the equation 2. But if you can skip that, if you do 1, that's an extra step. So the first equation is mx minus 4, or y is mx minus 4, and the second equation is x squared plus 2x plus 5. Okay, so we equate these two and then we try to simplify it, rearrange and simplify the equation. We cannot solve yet, we need to simplify. So what I will do, I'll bring all the terms to my right. So I get x squared plus 2x minus mx plus 5 plus 4. Rearranging, x squared plus, I will factor out x, I'll get 2 minus m, x plus 5 plus 4 is 9, so equals to 0. Now I need to identify my a, b and c. So my a is 1, my b is 2 minus m, and my c is 9. So I will use b square minus 4ac, and this time b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Why? Because there is only one solution for the equation. So one solution because it's mentioned in the question that it intersects at only one point. So replace BAC with its values. So B is 2 minus m square. Okay, 2 minus m square. A is 1, C is 9, and then try to simplify. So 2 minus m square means 2 minus m multiply 2 minus m. Then the other one going to get negative 36 equals to 0. And expand this, 4 minus 2m minus 2m plus m square minus 36 equals to 0. Simplify, m square minus 4m minus 32 equals to 0. Factorize the equation, get m and m, so 8 and 4 minus 8 and then plus 4, so you get m minus 8 equals to 0. M is 8, and then the other one is m plus 4 equals to 0, and m is negative 4. So these are the values for m if both equations given in the question intersect at one point. Moving on to question number 2, the same way. I have two equations, I label them equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 equals to equation 2. Put them in the bracket. So equation 1 is px plus p minus 2 equals to, equation 2 is x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, I'll bring all the terms to my right. So I'll get 0 equals to x square plus 3x minus px plus 1 plus becomes minus p plus 2. Okay, let me check if I've included all the terms. X squared plus 3x minus px plus 1 minus p plus 2. Okay, that's correct. So x square, can factor the x out, so I get plus 3 minus p x, and 1 plus 2 is 3, so plus 3 minus p equals to 0. Now we can decide what is our a, b and c. So our a will be a will be 1, b will be 3 minus p, and c will be the same, 3 minus p. 3 minus p. Okay, now we all know our a, b, c. We can use the b square minus 4ac, so b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So what is the value of b? We can replace that. So b is 3 minus p. 3 minus p minus 4, a is 1, and c is 3 minus p again. 3 minus p. Okay, equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now expand this. 9 minus 3p minus 3p plus p square minus 12 plus 12p equals to 0. So rearrange. P square minus 3p plus 2p, you get plus 6p. Okay, so plus 6p plus, minus, hold on, 3p plus, okay, so 9 minus 12 is negative 3, so I'll get minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, I'll double check. P square plus 6p minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so I need to find the values of p, so factor that. So I'll get p and 3. I'll use, let me check, negative 6p plus, oops, sorry, it's not 12p here, it's 4p. Okay, so 4p becomes negative 6p plus 4p is negative 2p. So when I square, get 3 and 1. Okay, correct. Now I can factor 3, 1. So negative 2. So I get plus and minus. So, oh sorry, it's minus and plus. So p plus 1, p minus 3. Let me check. It's correct now. Yeah, it's correct. So again, we'll find the value. P plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, p equals to -1. P minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, p equals to 3. So p is -1 and 3. So this is our answer. Moving on to number 3. Given the straight line y equals to 4x plus k intersects the curve y equals to 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 at the 2 points given, find the range of values of k. So now the line intersects with the curve at 2 points. That means we have two solutions. We can use b squared minus 4ac more than 0. That means we have two distinct solutions. So as usual, I will label the equations 1 and 2. So I'll equate both equations. Equation 1 equals to equation 2. So what is our equation 1? 4x plus k equals to 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. Okay, rearrange. 3x 0 equals to 3x squared minus 5x minus 4x minus 2 minus k. Okay, let me check if I got all the terms correctly. 3x squared minus 5x minus 4x minus 2 minus k. Okay, correct. Now rearrange. 3x squared minus 4x minus 5x minus 4x, you get minus 9x minus 2 minus k equals to 0. So what is our a, b and c? A equals to 3, b equals to -9, and c equals to -2 minus k. Okay, so that is our a, b and c. So our condition now is b square minus 4ac more than 0, because we have intersection at 2 points or two solutions. Okay, two solutions is b square minus 4ac more than 0. So we replace the values. B is -9, so -9 square minus 4, a is 3, c is -2 minus k, 2 minus k equals to more than 0. Solve. We try to solve the inequality. So we get 81 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 12k more than 0. So 81 plus 24 is 105 plus 12k is more than 0. 12k is more than negative 105. Bring your 105 from left to right, and then you get k is more than negative 105 over 12. Okay, so we can simplify this. We can divide this by 3, the fraction. So we get k is more than negative, divided by 305 divided by 3, you get 35 over 12 divided by 3, you get 4. That is our final answer. Okay, that's all for this video. See you again in the next video.